In this video, I'll show you how to remove Google Authenticator from your Bitget account safely. First, open the Bitget app or website and log in with your email or phone and password. Once you're in, tap your profile icon or Me, then go to Security or Account Security. Here you'll see options like Login Password, Google Authenticator, Email/SMS verification, and more. Find Google Authenticator and tap Unbind, Disable, or Remove, depending on what your version shows. Before Bitget lets you remove it, you'll usually need to pass a security check. This can include an email code, SMS code, and sometimes answering a few verification questions or confirming recent activity. If you still have access to your Google Authenticator app, simply open it, get the 6-digit code, and enter it on Bitget along with the other codes required. After everything is verified, confirm the action, and Google Authenticator will be unlinked from your account. If you lost access to your Google Authenticator, look for a can't access /reset/appeal option on the same screen. There you can submit an unbinding request, usually by uploading ID documents and answering security questions so Bitget can manually remove it. Once Google Authenticator is removed, make sure you still have other protections enabled, like email, SMS, or a new 2FA method to keep your account secure. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.